I do get questions from viewers about the strength of the dovetail grooves that are used with MicroJig's match fit clamps. Whether or not the head of the clamp, when being used, will pull upward and tear out the material that the dovetail is cut into. And that's not really a problem, and I wanted to show you why. Yes, if you're using the clamp, there is pressure pulling this dovetail head upward, which in plywood might delaminate, but here I've got it in a piece of pressed board, about the weakest material you can use. But it doesn't do that because the pressure lifting on the head is being supplied by the clamp head, the pad itself. And that pad is directly over the head of the clamp. So when I put this on and apply pressure, there is pressure between these two parts, but it's filled in by the solid piece that I'm clamping. There's really no opportunity for this part of the base material to be torn out. Unless you've got a gap underneath here somehow, in that case you might have to worry about it. But in most clamping operations, even here in a piece of 5/8 particle board, there's no opportunity for that head to pull out.